Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an eggless Basque cheesecake. It's very simple, it's very easy to make, and it's super yummy. So let's get started. For the eggless Basque cheesecake, we will be using the cream cheese, sugar, condensed milk, sour cream, flour and vanilla essence. I will take the cream cheese and I will use an electric beater and cream it up. Once I have creamed it slightly, I will be adding in the sugar and the vanilla essence and I will beat this up. Once it has whipped slightly, next we will be taking in the condensed milk and putting it inside. And I will take the sour cream. Now this is normal dairy cream to which I have added a few drops of lemon juice to make it into sour cream. Once I have added this, I will cream this up again. Once it has been fully mixed, I will be taking the flour and I will be adding it into this mix, and using a spatula, I will just gently stir it around so that the flour is fully incorporated. Make sure there are no lumps. Just mix it smoothly till you have a smooth mixture. I have taken a round butter paper and I have cut the edges like this. I have taken a 4-inch tin and I will just put this inside and line the tin. Because we have cut it, so as you can see, it will sit in nicely. In this lined tin, I will put the whole batter that we have, put all of it inside it, and this we will be baking in a 200 degrees heated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes till it has a nice caramelized top. Our eggless Basque cheesecake is ready. It has come out and as you can see, it has sunk in slightly in the middle. This happens after it comes out from the oven. This we can eat either right away or you can even cool it, chill it and enjoy this yummy treat.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।